Hello to all the followers of our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to redesign your old phone case. The only tools you need are a pair of scissors or a cutter, a hot glue gun, and a roll of yarn in any color or pattern you like. First, find the end of the yarn. Apply a bit of hot glue to one of the corners on the back of the case. Attach the end of the yarn there and hold it for a few seconds until it dries. Then carefully apply glue piece by piece along the case. Stick the yarn down and hold it until it sets. Keep doing this in a circular pattern until you reach the center of the case. To make sure you don't get bored, I've sped up this part of the video a little, so you can still see all the steps without feeling tired. Once you get to the center, carefully cut the end of the yarn and secure it with a bit of glue so it doesn't come loose. Clean off any remaining glue strings from the surface of the case. It's possible that the shape of your case leaves one small area uncovered. For that part, just repeat the same process and glue and attach the yarn. In this video, because the camera was in front of me, I couldn't do it with perfect precision. But you can take your time and make a clean, amazing, and unique phone case for yourself. I'm sure some of you want to stand out and have something that no one else has. This tutorial is exactly for you. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do that. It really motivates me. I'm also looking forward to reading all of your comments, and don't forget to make me happy by hitting that like button. See you in the next tutorial, and goodbye.